It's time for us to get into the cooking segment. We have this morning, we're going to teach you how to make ice cream using atadwe and Abrofon Katse. Now, she says it's not ice cream, but it's nice cream. Well, Flossy Azu has joined us, and she's going to help us to understand how it is exactly that we are going to do this. Hi, Flossy.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Fantastic.
How was your weekend?
It was fantastic. I had a good weekend.
What did you do?
Yeah. I do some work with the kids at the correctional center on Saturdays. So I love that. That's one of my favorite moments, my favorite times over my weekends, you know.
Okay.
And my thing is, look, these kids, everybody has abandoned them, you know, and it's almost like they're out there. Some of them, their families don't even visit them. Yeah, you know, and to see them over a few weeks transform, and their faces are they're happy to see you, they're excited, and have zeal for life. It's brilliant. Yeah, so
that's really
it's one of the things I did.
Yeah, oh, that's good.
Yeah. How about you?
My weekend was pretty chill.
Yeah.
I took the time to relax.
Okay.
Yeah.
Relaxing is good. I know how busy you can get.
I can get very busy. Yeah. So I took the time to relax.
This stuff that we have here, what is this business of nice cream?
Nice cream. So nice cream is basically sorbet or sherbet, right?
Okay.
But without sugar. So it's pureed plants, right? You know, I do plant-based cooking.
Yeah, I know
that gives you the ice cream feeling, right? But it's not ice cream.
But it's not ice cream.
There's no milk. There's no cream in there.
Okay.
Right? Yeah.
All right. Well, let's get into it.
Okay, let's get into it. All right. So today, the ingredients that we're going to be using are overripe bananas. Right, as you can see, I have some examples here. What I did is I halved
Is that deliberate?
Yes.
Overripe bananas?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I tend to have a lot of overripe bananas in my house because instead of eating them, I'll just be watching them. You know, so this looks like something I'm very definitely.
Then don't throw them out. You can use them.
Okay.
Right. So just peel them, half them, and put them in the freezer.
Okay.
Right. Once you do that, you can pop them in your smoothies, even in your oatmeal, right? Or you can make nice cream.
Okay. Nice.
You can also use them to bake. Some people use overripe bananas for banana bread and banana fritters, pancakes, stuff like that.
Now that's pushing it a bit for me.
Oh, come
that's
on.
For the,
it's not just
blending part
you can do. Yeah, you can do other things too.
Okay, all right. So show us.
I was actually in the north last week.
Okay.
And
Which part?
I went to
Which part?
I went to Bolgatanga. I went to Tamale.
Okay.
I actually crossed over to Burkina Faso as well. I did not make it to Wa, but I made it to Paga.
Nice.
Yeah. And I wanted to know like what foods are like special to this area. I kept wanting to know. So I was eating all these different kinds of amazing plant-based foods. They kept saying that, I should try the kaklu. And I was like, kaklu?
Yeah.
Oh, like try kaklu. I've had kaklu fan.
Yeah.
But I was like, you know what? I'm going to give it a try.
Okay.
They use overripe bananas to make kaklu.
Oh.
Yes. So you can use that as well. And they don't have any flour. So it's
like
completely...
Like a fritters kind of thing.
Like that, right? Yeah. It's completely gluten-free because you don't have any wheat flour in there. Yeah. So that was interesting. So you can use that for that as well.
Okay. Let's do this.
So we have our overripe bananas. I have some cubed mangoes.
Like mangoes, yeah.
Yeah, just for garnishing, you know, to give it a little. And I have this special product that I wanted to show you. Can you read the label? Let everybody see that.
Okay, so it says Talmond Tropical Almond Milk Natural.
Yes. So this is a made in Ghana plant-based milk.
Wow.
Completely
almond
natural.
Milk.
Almond milk.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. So I know that we have almond that is Abrofon Katse.
Yes.
And this is it?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Ooh. I'm excited. I'm excited.
You should be.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
So this is the tropical almond, like you said, the Abrofon Katse. And they make some milk out of it. I'll tell you a little bit more about it later, right? And then, of course, we have our vanilla flavoring. I have some cocoa powder here because we can make vanilla ice cream and then we can make chocolate ice cream as well. And then, of course, atadwe.
Yeah. Yes. The tiger nut.
The tiger nut.
I'm popping one in more.
All right. So how do you like it? Do you just eat the whole nut?
I eat the whole nut. I wash everything and just pop it in.
That's what's up. All right, are you ready to get started?
I'm ready.
All right, let's wash our hands and dive right in. You're going to help me. Even though there's not much for you to do, you're going to do some work. I'll find something for you.
I hear you. I'm ready.
That's good. Oh, I forgot to mention I have my Vitamix here,
Okay.
which is going to help us do the blending to get everything all mixed up and ready to go.
Nice.
Okay, so let's get started. All right, first of all, I have a bowl of water here for the tiger nut. I want you to just grab a handful, maybe 2 handfuls of tiger nut,
Okay.
and then wash them.
All right.
I like that.
Does that look about right?
That looks great.
Okay.
Yeah. And just wash it thoroughly. Because tiger nut is it's a root tuber.
Yeah.
So because it's underground,
Yeah.
it's usually a little bit dirt
Of
on
dirt,
there.
yeah.
So let's make sure we get all of that.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna put all of this in there. So this is about 6 bananas in the Vitamix.
Sure.
Right? And then we'll start with the vanilla flavor, which is just plain, I guess. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Let's get
Okay.
our nuts in there. So the ones, as you see, the ones that are floating on the top of the water, those are no good. So we'll just toss those.
Ah, that's how you tell.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just plop them right in here
Okay.
with it. Do you want to be the one to do the blending?
You wine. This weekend I made yogurt with ginger and mango.
Wow.
It's a smoothie.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, it was nice.
Look at you.
Oh yeah.
Doing all things wonderful in the
It was
kitchen.
nice.
Okay.
Yep.
And then let's turn that on.
Okay, here we go. Up the speed.
Yes, up the speed a little bit.
Okay. I'll go a bit more
Sometimes we might need to
stir it a bit.
yes, stir it a little bit, give it a little help.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so we'll turn it off. You don't want the motor to be
Yeah.
low.
Okay. Just leave it for a few minutes. Just leave it a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. It's very thick.
Yeah. Get it in there. So I use the Vitamix because that's like it's a very, very powerful blender. Right?
Okay.
Let's give it a little liquid. We're getting the tropical almond milk.
Okay.
To give it a little liquid to help it.
Yeah.
Are you ready for me?
I'm ready. Let's do this. All right.
Do you like sweet stuff?
Get in there. Oh, I'm a sweet tooth. I'm an unrepentant sweet tooth. Okay, so it's really thick.
There we go.
Okay.
Nice. Get it in there. Rest a little bit.
Yeah.
Mix it up. Let's open it. Get it in there, yeah. Really mix it up. The tiger nut isn't getting its shot at it. To help it be a little easier for the blender, you can also use
So
a
the
tiger nut
banana
powder.
Okay. So the blender, sorry, not the blender, the bananas.
Yes.
Are they frozen?
Yes,
Because they kind of
they're
feel a little. Okay.
Yeah,
They're
frozen
frozen.
bananas.
Okay. Okay.
So whenever you see your bananas getting a little overripe, you just peel them,
Yeah.
half them,
Yeah.
and then you pop them in the freezer.
Okay. Okay. There we go. I think it's working. Yeah, it's very thick. All right. So do we add a little more of the milk?
I think the texture needs a little more milk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's do it.
There we go. All right. Okay. I'm loving this. This is nice. Now I can do something new at home as well.
Well, all your cooking skills, the places that you're comfortable.
Okay, there we go. So it feels lighter now.
Okay.
Yeah, it feels lighter now.
Make sure that the tiger nuts get their
Also get
time to shine,
Yeah.
to get blended and mixed up in
So
here.
should we try again?
Let's try again. Mix it up, mix it up. There we go.
Okay. Looks. So when did you first realize that you had a passion for playing around with stuff in the kitchen? Because you come up with all these fancy things every time, and I'm wondering to myself, does it ever end? Does it ever stop? Do you ever get bored? Do you ever get tired?
Oh no, I love food. Food has always been such an important tradition in my house. So I think that from when I was really young, I've always been fascinated by the process of making and sharing food.
Okay.
Right, so I'd sit in the kitchen with my grandma when she was alive, and then later on with my mom.
Okay.
We prepare, and she likes to experiment as well.
Yeah.
So I watched her experiment with different kinds of things. And
Isn't it too thick still?
I think it's doing good.
Okay.
Right? A little worried about the tiger nut now.
Yeah.
Is the voltage a little low?
It might be because it just sort of seems
It's
a little.
slow, even when we increase it. Because it's looking good, it just needs, the nuts just need to crush a little bit more.
Okay.
It looks good. And then you can add whatever flavoring that you'd like in it. I'm going to be using the vanilla, right? You can use cinnamon, you can have whatever other fruits, whatever frozen fruit that you have or you love, you can add that as well.
Okay.
Yeah, as you go on.
So I see what's happening there.
Yeah,
It's becoming more fluidy
yeah.
and more milky at the base. Oh, nice.
Let's give the motor a second to rest.
This is actually working.
Yeah,
I'm excited.
it's got a great texture. You just have a few of the
The tiger nuts are
still in there.
Yeah.
You can also give it a
But it's
nice,
also crushing, so
yeah,
it's good.
You can also give it a nice crushed feel. There we go.
Nice. So this, as we've done, we've added the vanilla. Okay. Then we do. Typically, you wouldn't add chocolate at the same time.
No.
Okay, so you do
but
it as a separate.
Yes, you can do it as a separate one. But today we can just add the cocoa powder
Okay.
once we're ready. You can serve. We'll serve the vanilla, and then we'll add the cocoa powder to make the chocolate.
Yeah. The tiger nuts are the ones who
They give it
a little bit to go.
We'll give it a nice crunchy texture. Yeah. So the tiger nut powder works a lot better with that, but let's see what we've got.
Okay.
All right, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. So we'll give you a couple scoops of this. You see that? Nice cream. Why are you laughing?
Okay.
Have a little cocoa powder in there. Do you want some mangoes?
Just a little bit. Thank you.
And then I'll get started on
The one with the chocolate
the
flavor.
chocolate, yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
How much cocoa powder do you think I should put in there? A lot of the time with our cooking, the way our moms taught us to
Not
cook,
too much.
a lot of eyeballing,
Yeah.
not too many measurements. Sometimes I measure, sometimes too I just eyeball.
I like this.
You like it? That's good.
You know, it's interesting how just a little tweaking of stuff that you have suddenly makes it a lot more interesting to eat.
Yeah, a whole
You
new
know.
thing. You can create a whole new product with just a few mixes here and there, a few substitutes here and there.
And I taste the vanilla in here.
Chocolate's nice cream. So do you know some of the benefits of the tropical almond? I don't know if you...
Actually, it's one of the fruits I think I don't know much about at all.
Oh, interesting.
No, I don't know much about it.
We used to eat it a lot as kids.
No, I mean, we ate it as kids, you know, and it was one of those fun things that you do.
Yeah.
Every morning in season, if some have dropped on the ground, you know, then you'll be crushing it with stones
Yes, to
pull
get
out
the
the
nuts,
and
yeah.
then, so, but I have no idea, you know, what the
Look at that. So it's high in protein, right? It's low carb, high protein. So it's very good for you, especially for diabetics. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It has some antimicrobial properties as well.
Interesting.
It also has some antifungal properties. Yeah. It's
Who would
actually
have
one
known?
of those, it's one of those super plant foods, right?
I see.
The leaves are really good. Some people boil the leaves and drink it. Some people have said that it has like anti-carcinogenic properties, so it can fight some like cancer, some cancer causing, like, you know. And it also, because you can make a milk from it, and it's plant-based. You know, I'm all about the plant-based living.
Absolutely.
It's a good substitute for
the dairy products and milk.
So if you're lactose intolerant, or if you're just trying to live a little cleaner, to detox a little bit, you can use almond. And this is made in Ghana.
Wow.
Yeah.
I'm fascinated. Okay, so this is the
chocolate.
The chocolate
Yeah.
one.
Do you want to try that?
Let me try that.
Okay. I didn't put too much cocoa powder because you told me
That's
not
fine.
to. I can hear you crunching on the tiger nut.
Oh, yeah. And I like the way it's not overpowering. But it can definitely taste it's chocolatey.
Okay. Okay, that's good. You know, there's some people who like chocolate ice cream, but others don't like it at all. Some people like chocolate as a bar, but not.
I do all things chocolate.
So you're Mr. Romantic guy.
I like it. I like it. Well, I don't know whether it translates to romantic and all that.
I've heard that it does. I've heard that it does. So what did you do for chocolate day?
You want me to tell?
It's okay. When we get off camera, we can discuss. We can discuss at length. So how's that?
Good stuff.
It's good stuff.
Good stuff.
Yeah. Do you know anything about the tiger nut?
Well, I do know that a lot of people suggest it's a good aphrodisiac. It has all kinds of properties in terms of health, health and well-being.
Yeah.
But specifics in terms of like what essential minerals and all that, I'm not sure what's in there. But the general...
Right. Yeah, it is an aphrodisiac, right?
Yeah.
Funnily enough, tropical almond is as well. And so is cocoa. So you're gonna have a great morning.
It's a very potent mix.
Oh yes, your morning is set.
Okay,
so your whole day is
Flossy,
set.
first let me ask.
Yeah.
Is this love potion?
Oh, stop! I can't reveal my secrets on camera.
The love potion. Okay. I don't mind. I'll just have a short day today.
Because you have other matters to attend to. Exactly.
I will have other matters to attend to. Well, thank you very much, Flossy. Fantastic as usual. Your social media handle, people can follow you?
You can follow me at @thepepper_ on Instagram. You can follow Talmond @Talmond on Instagram as well.
Okay, super. Well, we've been speaking with Flossy Azu as she's been helping us to make some nice scream.
Hi there. I hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with all of your friends. This is Breakfast Daily on Citi TV.
Join the Breakfast Daily team Monday through Fridays from 7:30 a.m. to 10. Join us for breakfast daily, only on Citi TV.